Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Prius transmission fluid. First, gather your tools and supplies. You'll need a 10mm socket, a torque wrench, and a fluid pump. Make sure you have new Toyota WS transmission fluid and a fresh crush washer ready. Also, prepare a drain pan that can hold at least 4 quarts of old fluid. Having everything organized makes the process much smoother. Next, safely lift your Prius and secure it on jack stands on a level surface. Locate the transmission drain plug. It's usually a 10mm hex bolt. Position your drain pan directly under the plug. Carefully remove the drain plug and let all the old transmission fluid drain completely. This step is crucial for ensuring you remove as much contaminated fluid as possible. Now, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to 29 foot-pounds. Next, find the fill plug, which is typically a 24mm bolt on the side of the transmission. Use your fluid pump to add about 3.5 quarts of new Toyota WS fluid. It's important to keep the vehicle level throughout this step to ensure accurate filling. Finally, reinstall the fill plug, torquing it to 29 foot-pounds. Lower your vehicle and carefully inspect for any leaks around both the drain and fill plugs. Drive your Prius for a short distance, then recheck the fluid level if your model has a dipstick. Remember to dispose of the old transmission fluid responsibly at an approved recycling center. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.